solution of the yeah.
50 bag and piece of that. But I buy it, you know.
And the mouth tie up.
So why you can't do that?
Roll out crooks.
I'm touching my cooks right now, brother.
Go on with it. Put it down, I want to see him walk. He look weak out though.
One, take him
So him mouth not tie up, he can't bite and him mouth tie up. We didn't hear.
Man, we have been afraid I'm in for it.
Give me 50 bag and piece of that.
Come in, Crocky.
I feel for I kill him and a blood clot and chop pussy hole.
I don't know why I wanna have that stuff with them blood clot.
Him nah move, him a play dead. And yeah, that me I say like you want water for it. It's on a dry mouth.